What's up guys, it's Rachel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated everyday makeup routine, and I'm really excited about this video because I haven't done one of these in such a long time and I have so many new products that I've been wanting to share with you all. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, go do that right now because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos in the future. So just a little disclaimer, I don't do this much makeup every day. This is just what makeup I would do if I were to wear makeup on a daily basis. This is kind of like my full glam makeup routine, all of the products that I use, but I'm really excited to share with you guys all of these products. This is also a video in collaboration with Rose Forever, and it's a rose company in New York that specializes in these handcrafted roses that last a year, and I see these all over the place on Instagram, everywhere. They are so pretty to keep in your room, and I absolutely love the pink color that they sent over to me, but they've got dozens and dozens of selections online. This is the small, I'll link the exact ones that I got down below, and then I'll put a link to their site down below as well. But this is the small round petal pink roses. I think they are so beautiful, so you guys should definitely go check them out. They're also the cheapest price that I have found for these types of roses. They're a great anniversary gift, Valentine's Day gift. I know we just had Valentine's Day, but birthday gift, anniversary, any type of special occasion. I love these because they do last for so long and they just look so pretty in my room. I love the color of them as well. So I will have links to that website down below. You should definitely go check them out. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Hey guys, so I just pulled all of my hair back and everything is good to go for the makeup. So I am first going to start off with my favorite oil, and I always do this step before I moisturize my face. So my favorite oil recently has been the Herbivore Emerald oil. And I absolutely love this stuff. You can get it at Sephora, and it's a little bit more on the expensive side, but the bottle lasts at least 6 months, which I really love. And I just rub it in between my hands, and I like to pat it right onto my face. And this just gives my makeup a glowy look. So I always do this step before I start my makeup. And then of course we want to use a moisturizer. So my favorite moisturizer of all time is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I really like this one. It's a little bit lighter since it's getting to be springtime. I like to use a lighter moisturizer in the spring and summertime. So I'm just applying that to my face and also kind of just patting it into my skin. So this Glow Recipe is one of my favorite brands. I love all of their skincare products. I would definitely recommend checking them out if you haven't already. So then the next thing I'm going to use is the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. This is my go-to primer and has been for a while now. This one comes out really runny for some reason. I think because I need to switch it out. I've had that one for kind of a long time, but I love the texture on the skin. It fills in all of my pores, and it's a good high quality overall primer. I switch between that one and this All-Nighter Face Primer from Urban Decay. This one actually just came out. I always use the Anastasia products to do my brows. This has been my routine forever, so I'm just gonna do my brows off camera really quickly and then I'll be back with my brows all done. Once I've done my brows, an essential step in my routine has been concealing around my brows. So I just take some of my concealer on a concealer brush, just go around my brows and conceal them. This gives your brows more of a shape and definition and just cleans them up a little bit so that they look a lot nicer. I highly, highly recommend doing this step in your routine because it just defines your brows, makes them look flawless and sculpted. I'm just going to then put some concealer on my eyelids. So I wanted to do more of a like chit chat get ready with me where I've been, because I know I haven't been like that consistent with YouTube in a really long time, and it's honestly been just being like so busy with school and then more focusing on my Instagram. I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to do YouTube anymore, maybe I'll just do Instagram. And I definitely want to get back into doing YouTube a lot more because I miss YouTube a lot and I love it. I feel like it's where I thrive, like where my content thrives. So let me know down below if you guys have any like video requests for me, and I want to update my morning routine, my night routine. I have so many ideas that I want to get going for all of you. But anyways, the next step in my makeup routine is to do my eyeshadows. So today I'm using the Carly Bybel palette. This has been my go-to palette. I absolutely love her videos, first of all, and second of all, I just love this palette. I think it's gorgeous and I love all the colors in it. It's very unique, but you can definitely create some like everyday looks. Not saying that I wear eyeshadow every day, but if I'm like putting on makeup, typically I do wear eyeshadow, so it's just personal preference. I'm tapping into the shade Bybel and putting that right in my crease. So anyways, I am now a senior at Ole Miss. I graduate in May. I'm taking 18 hours this semester, and I took 18 hours last semester, so I'm just slammed with work all the time. This past summer, I did an internship in New York, and I was there with my best friend, Danny. But I worked for a PR company in New York. It was the best experience ever. And I hope to go back to New York after I graduate. That's the plan. Next, I'm just tapping into the shade Bowie. I think that's Bowie. I think it says Bowie. It's just a dark, deep chocolate brown shade. I think I'm gonna go with a smoky eye today, and I'm putting that in the outer corner of my eye. And then I am going to be tapping into this beautiful, beautiful gold shade. I should be showing you guys what shades I use. So I used Bybel, I used Bowie, and now I'm going to go in with Moo right here. And I'm going to place Moo right on top. Such a pretty shade. I love the pigmentation of Anastasia eyeshadows. You just can't beat them. And I think that this eyeshadow look could look good on anybody. Then once I have made the two wings, I'm going to take my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced and prime my eyelashes. Now normally if I'm gonna wear makeup, I do put on false eyelashes because I got like lash extensions once and they just were not for me. I paid $100 and they literally did not show up on my eyes when I put makeup on. They looked terrible on me. I think it's because I like wearing very dramatic eyelashes, and on a day-to-day basis, if you're someone that likes wearing like very natural makeup, I feel like getting eyelash extensions would be the way to go. But if you're just like me and you like more dramatic eyelashes, then I would not recommend them at all. So typically the eyelashes that I reuse over and over and over again are Lily Lashes in Miami. So I'll probably buy a pair once a month or once every 3 weeks of these, and they're around $30. They're pretty pricey, but they're less expensive than actual lash extensions. So I normally just pop these bad boys on. So then I'm gonna just apply my foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I've also used this foundation forever. I love how full coverage it is. I don't think anything will be able to pass this up because it is so full coverage. I look so orange right now. I promise it is not this orange in person. It looks so orange on camera. Why does it look like that? It literally looks so orange on camera right now. I swear to God, it does not look orange in person. You know, I've been trying to get my camera lighting figured out, and I swear I've just never gotten it there. I get close, but I've never gotten it to where it actually looks good. Every time I do my makeup though, it looks so orange after I do it. And then after I have everything blended in though, like once I do my concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, by the way. Once I do my concealer and everything and have everything blended, it looks so good. So trust me, my foundation is going to turn out. So I normally apply it in these areas of my face, blend it out with my beauty blender. Then I'm gonna take my Anastasia brow pencil and go back in because I feel like the concealer kind of covered up some of the little hairs that I drew. So I'm just gonna take this and draw a couple more little hairs on there. The next thing I'm going to do is take my Laura Mercier powder. I've also been using this forever, and I basically just take it on my Beauty Blender sponge and I tap it into my face where I need it. So just my T-zone and under my eyes to set the most oily spots of my face and under my eyes so that my under eye concealer does not crease. Once I'm done with the powder, it is time to move on to bronzer. I love the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. As you can see, this powder literally lasts forever too. I've not had to buy a new one of these in such a long time, and I like taking a little angled brush to do my bronzer. And I just take it on an angle and chisel out my cheekbones. And I also like to put it around my face to create some more dimension. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm taking this blush, it's in the shade Cheeky Bits, and on a fluffy blush brush, just gonna take the product and tap it off a little bit because when it comes right onto the brush, it is so pigmented. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is using my Jaclyn highlighter, and this is in Balm. And it is a loose powder highlighter on a fan brush. I'm just gonna take this, and this highlighter is so pretty. Do you guys see that? It is so beautiful. And sometimes I'll also contour my nose, but it looks okay today, so I'm going to leave that part out. So then I'm taking this MAC lip liner. This is so old. This is literally so old. It's so gross. But I'm taking the MAC lip liner in Soar and lining my lips. I like to fill in my lips with a lip liner if the lipstick washes away or wipes away at all, because when the lipstick wipes away, then you're left with just a line, and I don't like that look, so I like to fill in my entire lips with the lip liner. And then I'm taking this YSL lipstick. I'm not exactly sure of the shade. I will definitely have it down below, but The YSL lip shines are so good because they act like lipstick and also as almost a lip gloss. I'm going to add a little bit more gloss, but I really don't need it. This is the Jeffree Star lip gloss in Diamond Juice. This is the best lip gloss ever. It's amazing. I'm going to grab the eyeshadow palette before and go into the brown shade, and I'm going to take that underneath my eyes. I'm using this mini Marc Jacobs mascara and putting that on my bottom lashes. Then to finish off the look, I'm using the Benefit Brow Tones. What is this even called? Like a brow tint? I like to just brush up my eyebrows to give them more of a messy look. Because I don't like them perfectly in place. I like to brush them up and make them a little bit messy. I'm going to finish off this look with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And this is my final everyday look. If I'm getting full glam, I want to reiterate that I do not wear this look every single day. That was a lot of steps, a lot of products on my face, and I do not wear this much makeup every single day. But when I do wear makeup, this is typically what I do as an everyday look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And I'm gonna go do my hair right now, and I will be right back with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments down below, and all of the products that I used here in this video will also be listed down below, so you can check those out. And please leave any video requests that you have for me down below. I will talk to you guys next week. Bye guys!